The C5200 semi-synthetic coolant from QFluids is formulated specifically for the bandsawing industry, as this unique coolant lubricates and cools the bandsaw blade, extending the tool life while enhancing the tooth penetration and cleaning the machine. C5200 is formulated to help prevent chip buildup, allowing the chips to flow freely away from the cut, preventing buildup in the critical parts of the machine, such as behind the wheels, the blade guide system, and the chip brush system. This can improve the life of regular wear parts by up to 30%. C5200 is non-foaming fluid that has a long tank life. It does not contain chlorine, sulfur, silicone sultonates. This is an excellent sawing fluid on most metals and is operator-friendly. For more information or to order QFluids and lubes, log on to www.Sawblade.com